Hey guys, hope you guys had a good day today. So today was post CPI day. We ended up actually having a pretty nice green open. And for the most part today, the bulls were in control. We did end up getting another higher close than open. So that trend continues now for 9 consecutive post CPI days. So let's take a look at where we're at and where we're going at into the week tomorrow. As of right now, we have this black potential bear channel. So we officially broke out of that. So as of right now, we're in just kind of this shorter term blue bull channel here. But as you can see, where we're really sitting here is this potential breakout and breakdown triangle here. So if tomorrow, if we can punch through 451.6, likely we have a much higher upside potential. But our major resistance that we've been closing under since August 2nd is 453.25 supply. So basically 451.8 and 453.25 are our major levels to watch for tomorrow. If we come back down, we shouldn't really go much lower than I would assume 444.83, which is our demand. At a weekly time frame here, we are basically almost like a really nice bull flag here. So I do see potential if we can break through 451.2 and especially close over that we should see some upside potential targeting that 457 area. Now looking at futures here, we are in our up channel here. Now remember, we had that contract roll, so it's a little different here. We finally got over 45.40 resistance. So our resistance that goes back to pretty much July 31st here, and this would go back all the way that we've been trading in this same, I guess this is about, let's see here. It's about a 250 point range. We've been trading in that same range since June. So as of right now, we did not quite get to our 45.64 and 45.67 demands. I do expect those to get hit probably overnight, maybe early tomorrow morning. But there's a real scenario where we could double top here and then come back down and take these supplies out. Or we might just push and attempt to get all the way to this 4,600 area into next week. From a weekly perspective here on futures, so we did break out of our down channel, but remember, this is mostly related to the fact that the contract roll happened. So I'm not going to put a lot of weight on that. I'm going to watch SPY mostly for that weekly breakthrough. But big target upside is 4608. Taking a look at Qs here, we got a lot going on. We're really busy on this chart, but we broke our black bear channel. So same thing here. You can see we have this breakout triangle here that our resistance tomorrow sits right at 378.9. Over 378.9 by tomorrow and today, likely we target 382.8 into early next week. We did notably reject off our double supply level here at 376.97 and 378.05. So we could see a move back down and back test some support down here, maybe the 8 EMA around 374.75. From a weekly perspective here, same thing. We're still in our diamond pattern here. Basically our high a day at 378.27. If we break through that tomorrow, then likely we are going to target 383.7 area into next week. Same thing that we've been trading in the same range since June. So again, if we close over this level, we look for the upside. If we close back under this level, then we look for the drop. So looking at the VIX here, we actually closed our lowest level since January of 2020. So very long time, 2.5 years. It's been since we've closed that low. What we're looking at here is that we're just completely unwinding. So the last time we were this low was on July 27th and June 22nd. Both of those times, so this was the top on July 27th. You see the VIX this was actually the Bank of Japan day, interestingly enough. So we had that massive rejection and then we started to leg down. So since that low on the VIX and since this high on SPY, we have not pushed higher. We kind of have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3 possible move up here going, but overall we're just kind of trending down. I am looking to see if the VIX is going to push lower into the 12s, or if once again this is going to become bottom and then we're going to see a move up on the VIX, which then obviously takes us lower in the markets. Overall, tomorrow is quad witching day. It has a tendency to be very, very wild. It can be very unpredictable. Generally speaking, most of the previous quad days have opened red. And most of them have closed red. So I am looking for some downside tomorrow. There likely will be a lot of contracts rolling end of day. So there can be a lot of volatility and a lot of misdirection. So if you're trading tomorrow, definitely trade lightly. Keep your stops tight. Just be careful of trading tomorrow. And I will see you guys tomorrow night.